everyone, we're going to use tabular integration to find the antiderivative of x to the fourth power times e to the negative x dx. So what we're going to do is let f of x equal x to the fourth, and we're going to find its derivatives. We're going to let g of x equals e to the negative x power, and we're going to find its integrals. So basically we're going to do the f of x and find its derivatives, and then g of x and find its integrals. So this is your integrals, and this is your derivatives. I'll just write it like that. All right, so for f of x, we have x to the fourth we start with. All right, and then take the derivative of x to the fourth. You get 4x cubed. Then you're going to get 12x squared. Then 24x. And then 24. And you go all the way down to 0. All right, now for the integrals, we're going to start with our e to the negative x, and then we're just going to take the integrals. So this is just opposite. So you just do e to the negative x, e to the negative x, and then at 0 it's negative e to the negative x. Now the next step is what we're going to do is we're going to multiply like this. Multiply those two, those two, those two, those two, and finally those two. We don't need the 0. And you start with plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and then this one we don't need. So all we're going to do is multiply. Now when you multiply x to the fourth times this, you're going to get, since even though it's a plus, you're going to get negative x to the fourth e to the negative x. So I'm going to move on the next slide and write down the answer, but you're just multiplying these. And what we'll get is our integral x to the fourth e to the negative x equals, and this will put dx, equals, and we're going to get negative x to the fourth e to the negative x minus 4x cubed e to the negative x minus 12x squared e to the negative x minus 24e to the negative x plus c. All right. Now, with all these negatives, I think it'd be best just to write this and pull out the negative, and that's going to give us x to the fourth plus 4x cubed plus 12x squared plus 24, and then write e to the negative x on this side, or you can move it in the front. We could move it in the front, but plus c. So this e to the negative x, you could write it there if you want. But this would be your final answer. It looks nice this way. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.